Have you ever wondered what happens when the free speech rights of employees clash with the corporate image of a multi-billion-dollar company? It appears we are about to find out as the rocket and satellite maker SpaceX files a lawsuit against the U.S. National Labor Relations Board, an event that could potentially reshape the landscape of labor and employment law in the United States. Our story begins in 2022 when 8 SpaceX employees decided to voice their concerns about their CEO, Elon Musk, in a letter to company executives, labeling him as a distraction and embarrassment and accusing him of making sexist comments that went against company policies. This action, however, resulted in their termination, a move that the National Labor Relations Board, or NLRB, alleges was a violation of federal labor laws. In response to the accusation, SpaceX did not back down. Instead, the company took a bold step by suing the NLRB in a federal court in Brownsville, Texas. The basis of SpaceX's argument? The structure of the NLRB, which is comprised of a 5-member board appointed by the U.S. President, violates the U.S. Constitution. This is because federal law only allows board members and administrative judges to be removed for cause and not at will, a provision that SpaceX claims is unconstitutional. Through this lawsuit, SpaceX seeks to block the NLRB case from moving forward. This isn't the first time SpaceX has utilized such a tactic. Recently, the company managed to block an administrative case by the U.S. Department of Justice, which accused SpaceX of illegally refusing to hire refugees and asylum recipients. The case was paused by a federal judge in Brownsville pending the outcome of a lawsuit by SpaceX. It's also worth noting that the NLRB is currently facing a similar lawsuit from a Starbucks employee who opposed the unionization of the New York store where she works. After the NLRB denied her petition for an election to dissolve the union, the worker decided to sue the board. To sum up, this ongoing legal battle between SpaceX and the NLRB not only highlights the tension between employee rights and corporate interests, but it also underscores the potential implications for labor and employment laws in the country. As the lawsuit unfolds, it's clear that its outcome could have a profound impact on how such disputes are handled in the future. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor this developing story.